Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to enter a price code in McDonald's app and redeem or track your rewards easily.
Step 1. Open the McDonald's app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Tap the Monopoly or Rewards banner on the home screen. Step 2. Sign in, log in to your McDonald's Rewards account. If you don't have one, create a free account. Step 3. Enter the prize code. Tap Enter code in the app. Type or scan your prize code carefully. Press Submit to redeem. Step 4. Check your rewards. Go to My Prizes or My Rewards to see your redeemed prizes. Instant prizes appear immediately. Bigger prizes may require verification. Step 5. Track your rewards. Follow your bonus points, property sets, or special prizes in the app. Make sure to claim before the expiration date.